Here's my daily OC cream cleanser. It is a soap-free cleanser. It's 99% natural. And if you're saying, I have sensitive skin, I have dry skin, I have combo skin, I need something that's gonna remove my makeup, this is a great product. I made this because as an esthetician, skincare professional, you are taught that your first cleansing is to remove makeup, SPF, and dirt. Well, this does that, and it's super gentle. Has a little fragrance to it. It's a natural fragrance, which is citrus. So you can get out your facial brush, your washcloth, what have you, and you take that with warm water with your cream cleanser and you can just wipe away makeup, wipe away SPFs. A lot of people wear physical SPFs. I love a physical SPF. So with a physical, you have to actually literally physically remove it off your face to cleanse. So by doing this first with your cream cleanser, you're gonna help to really gently cleanse your skin by removing the makeup, and then you can proceed with your second cleanser if it's nighttime. And during the day, people ask me, what about during the day? Like, this is perfect for a quick morning, fresh pick-me-up. This is what I use every morning to just lightly, gently clean my skin, because you didn't really do much. You slept, you have some product from the night before, but this is a perfect gentle cleanser to just give you a fresh start for the day.